Okay, guys, um, today I want to teach you guys about earning money just by watching videos. Yes, you heard me. Earning money just by watching videos. Like I've told you guys what I do is I hate poverty. I'm traveling around Africa 2020 to 2021 and then into Asia. I saw that some kind of poverty I've never seen before. Very deep poverty. And what I try to do is that I try to throw money at it. I give out a lot of money, but then people, you know, who are poor will just take this money and spend it, and you're not solving problem. Actually, you're just making them more dependent on you. And eventually, it occurred to me that the only way to solve this problem on a permanent basis is to teach people how to prosper. And the internet is just the greatest mind that exists. Is the greatest mind ever. It actually goes alongside with some of the things that I found out. You cannot get rich by what is under the ground. You only get rich by what is between your ears and what is between you know what is between your ears is knowledge. That's what's in your brain. I've been investigating, studying, searching, how to make money on the internet, and I've made a bunch of money myself from some of those things I've been teaching you. I'll be teaching step by step guide on how to make money via YouTube, Quora, affiliate marketing, Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, forex trading, cryptocurrency, and a number of ways. I think I've done over 20 of those videos, and today we're going to learn how to make money by just watching videos. Believe it or not, there are people who do this, all right, for a living. Huh? They do this and earn lots of money. They earn thousands of dollars, which if you're living in America, it's enough for you to live by. But then if you're living, let's say, a third world country, maybe in Africa or in Asia, that's a lot of money. So without further ado, how can you earn money by watching videos? Very easy. Now that that's a side, okay, it's a side hustle. I'm going to start showing you. There's a website called Inbox Dollars. All right. Okay, Inbox Dollars.com. I'm going to put here so that you can see it. All right. Don't worry. Now with this site, you just register, and the registration is super easy. You see, very legit. They ask for your email and then your account details, and in fact, you get $5 for free just by registering on this site. They're going to pay money to your account. All that you do there is just to watch videos. You just watch videos, watch movies, TV shows. You just watch, and you are just paid to watch videos. All right. Now, how do they make their money? I know you would be wondering. You asked. These people, they do research, like I always say on my previous videos. They're able to find out what you like, and they ask your opinions, and that's how they feed their research back to the movie makers, the ads people. Whatever you're watching, you're going to get paid because they are going to get paid, and then they pass some of the payments to you, and they can make as much money as almost 300 a month from this site, because I'm something very regular. It's regular. They encourage regularities. All right, so it's very regular that you can make such an amount of money as $300 a month from this side hustle. Another site you could make money is Swagbox. I'm sure you've heard of Swagbox. This is Swagbox. .com. Don't worry, it's on your screen. Swagbox.com. This is the original website for Inbox Dollars, and this is the original website for Swagbox. Swagbox is a site, they have been around and they have paid out over $430 million. That's a huge amount of money. They've paid out totally $430 million. All right. I think I figured out that might have increased by now, but I'm going to with the last quarter figures that I found out, and then it's the same thing. You just watch videos, watch whatever they give you. So sometimes it's not just some videos, like maybe A/B test. You just watch and then you get paid. It's that easy. No strings attached. It's that easy. All right. Now there's another one called Pinecone. Pinecone research. Let me put it over here. Pinecone research. So here's Pinecone research. Here's the original website. Please make sure you are on this site to make sure you're getting it correctly, right? So it's gonna flash up. You see, they also pay you, but it's more of a research. I mean, all of them are research, but the other ones like Inbox Dollars and then the Swagbox, they kind of set up their sites so that they make it interesting. So you don't know that is a research site, but Pinecone research, they don't hide it, right? They tell you this is a research. You need to find out what works and then what doesn't work. Marketing research. They pay as well, and then they also got minepoint.com, minepoint.com. Let me show you minepoint.com. So imagine doing all of this in a whole month. You can get up to $1,000 just by watching videos on this website. And okay, here's mypoints.com. You see, please make sure you're on this particular website so that I don't miss it out, right? What happens in this site is that you can convert your points to cash. All right, you get points, you run surveys and you get points and you convert it to cash. I've done a video about this before, so maybe you want to watch that video. I don't know if it's still on this channel. So, but it's very easy. You see, get a $5 welcome bonus, which is beautiful. Another one is called cashkick.com. Cashkick.com. Cashkick.com is going to flash up on the screen. Okay, here's it now. Are they having an issue? It's been a while I checked out some of these sites and I think some of them are even down. You see, cashkick.com is down. The next one on my list is the earnably.com. See, it's coming up. This one is quite popular. earnably.com. They work and they partner with websites so that when you go to earnably.com, you're not going to be watching stuffs on their sites. They partner with other websites like ironplay.com. Once you go there, you're going to be given another link to watch some other times it's other videos you're watching, and sometimes you're just going to take survey, but then they pay you with cash and they also pay with points, and then they also pay with offers. Now those offers, so like maybe Amazon, they give them some kind of offers so that maybe like you have a product they're selling on Amazon for $100. So because you've watched a video or done the survey, you get an offer for $20. Essentially, you're gonna get paid $80, but it's an offer. It's not in cash. They pay you by cash. They pay by points, and like I've told you before, you can convert your points to cash, and then they also pay you by offers, right? So here's the thing: it's very important to know that you don't have to live in this poverty bubble anymore. You don't have to live in this poverty bubble anymore. You can have the cheapest smartphone. As long as you have a smartphone, you've got internet data, you can do so many things and make you money. That's why I'm making these videos. So don't put my efforts to waste. All right, put them in practice. Make sure you put them into practice. Like you see testimonials. I think yesterday I put up some testimonials of a woman who made so much money from Quora. She's actually making money from Quora than I taught her. She watched my videos. I think the next one I'm going to rephrase. I'm going to make a video on Quora so that you can see how much you can make on Quora. All right. Put a comment down below. I'm going to respond to you personally if you have any questions. Thank you very much, and God bless.